My name is Dan Rathbun. I am the director and writer of this show, and it has been an absolute pleasure working on this process. This show is the third original play that I've done, fourth play altogether. Three originals, one adaptation. This one is different because it's not a comedy. It is a drama, and personally it's a little bit scary for stretching yourself into a whole new genre like that, but I felt like it was something that I needed to do, something that was important for me to grow as a writer, to be able to experience different emotions than you would normally in a comedy. This whole process has been a very humbling experience to watch these actors take the script that began as muddled thoughts in my own brain and treat it with respect and dignity as much as Beck or Mamet. And it has been truly, like I said, humbling and honoring to see the work that they have put into this show. And I could not be more proud of the work that they have prepared for you.